Hello friends, you might have observed many websites while retrieving the data from the server, they reload the whole page and it takes lot of time to retrieve the data from the server, and it is very time consuming, and this communication is nothing but a synchronous communication. In synchronous communication, you have to wait unless you get a response, and when you get a response, then only then you can proceed further. But since the communication was very slow, this technology was not became popular. Now one new technology came in the market, that was asynchronous communication. In asynchronous communication, you retrieve the data from the server without reloading the whole page. The best example is while watching cricket match on the browser, you only refresh the part of the web page to see the latest score. You don't have to refresh the whole page. So that is example of Ajax technology. Another example is stock market. You send multiple requests at a time and you get response within fraction of second. Google Map, these things are very popular nowadays, and these are nothing but the using of Ajax technology. Ajax is not a framework, it is a technology. Today I will be telling you one application of Ajax. Now Ajax stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Ajax contain JavaScript, then XML, extensible markup language, HTML is used as a front end, and PHP, hypertext preprocessing language, with the help of which Ajax became very popular in today's era. Now I will be telling you one program of Ajax. Here database part, country ID 1 for India, 2 for America, 3 for Japan, country ID and country name, and state ID, then country ID, because I need to match this first table to second table. State ID 1, country ID 1 Maharashtra, 2 1 Bihar, this thing, and city ID, state ID and city area. This is the new field I have added, and you can extend this code, means I have extended this code to country, state, city area. You can add location, place, you can add. Now we will see actually PHP code and JavaScript code. Country, HTML tag. Whenever there is a scripting part, you need to write in tag format. HTML is also used, and script language JavaScript. This is the where XML HTTP. This instance of XML HTTP request object is used to perform asynchronous communication, and it is a object of JavaScript which work in backend. Then type of XML and this part, then state.php str, then XML on ready state change. This is the property to see if the data is ready or not. Means I want to perform events from the client server point of view, that's why I use on ready state change to know the client server events. Then open method is used. Open method is a boolean method. Get method is used when you want to retrieve data from the server. Post method is used when you want to send data to the server. URL is for path of the file, and true means it will perform asynchronous communication. and HTTP send means I will send the request. Then same function, then state change. When XML ready state double equal to 4, that means I have retrieved the data from the server and I will print it using response text. If I want to print it in XML format, I will write the response XML. Then show state function, same manner what state function is written. Then show city area, same manner city function and state function is written. Then I use here drop down and query select star from country. Here I have included the file db.php because I need to connect to the database to retrieve the value from the database. Just now we have seen the country table from the database, so I want to retrieve that value, that's why I taken it include db.php. Option value drop down, row id, country name, if it is 1 then India, 2 America, same manner. This is div tag, I want to display output in proper format. Now we will see state. Again drop down box is taken, on change event, show city, this dot value, it will be switched to the country file, country.php file, show city. Then again include db.php, country get method is used, str, value coming from the country file, say state file, show state. Then pg query to execute the query, and country id compare with the country value, and pg fetch array to get response in the index format, in tabular format. Then drop down box is close here, same manner I written here show city. Then we will go to the city file, here city area, because after city will be city area. Same drop down box will be taken, state, this value will come from show city. Then and city id and city name, drop down box we will see. In case of city area, afterward there is no part, nothing is there, that's why in city area there is no on change event. Then city is fetch from the city value, and then pg fetch array and this part, option value city id, city area, then drop down is close here, select. Now we will see actual execution of program. I will select India, then Maharashtra, then Pune, and then Wakad. Okay, India, Maharashtra. Remember that here I am fetching the value from the database without reloading the whole page. That is what Ajax I want to tell. Now you can select Mumbai, then Bandra. Okay, so you can extend this program by, I have written here country, state, city and location. You can extend place, position, you can extend in this manner. So this is one of the basic important application of Ajax. Thank you.